Moonlight Musicals presents Cats, starring Ken Page from the original Broadway production of Cats as Old Deuteronomy, also starring American Idol semifinalist Todrick Hall, November 20th through the 23rd, Lubbock Memorial Civic Center Theater.